Hi, this is Skinny Unboxed with another video. Today we've got an Xbox Series X. It's a 4K 120 frames per second, 1TB SSD, solid state drive. So the front, the nice inner green sections. Side, we've got the picture of the actual Xbox with a controller. And back, we've got Forza Horizon 5 with a bit about it. So I have the fastest, most powerful Xbox ever. Refined speeds with the Xbox Verity architecture. Play thousands of games. Access from generations. I'm reading this upside down, so bear with me. Game Pass, ultimate access to hundreds high quality games. Really nice picture of Forza, Mercedes AMG Project 1, Ford Bronco, and another Ford Bronco. Inside, got 4K 120 frames per second, 4K gaming at up to 120 frames per second, 8K HDR up to 8K high dynamic range, Xbox Velocity architecture, 1TB SSD, 1TB solid state drive, VRR variable refresh rates, 4K Blu-ray, just standard. Right, in the box you get the Xbox Series X console, one wireless controller, an ultra high speed HDMI, and a wireless networking cable. And just a few things down there, including Dolby Atmos and Vision. So, the box is just a lot of stuff, so let's turn this over and get cutting with the Gerber knife. There's a video on my channel of this knife. It's going fine, still stupidly sharp. So if you are looking for a knife, I would recommend this knife. It is stupidly good. Small but really sharp. Right, so we'll turn it back over. And did I miss one? I think I might have missed that. There we go. And then we open this up. Power Your Dreams. Really nice. Just take this out of the way for a second. We have in here a quick start guide showing what the ports are. There's an app which you can use, control with AA batteries, how to sync it, usual. Big ass pieces of foam, and a big piece here which is fixed in. Little bit here. We have the power plug, normal one for the UK. We have that ultra high speed HDMI cable. We have manual, nobody looks like that. We have the controller, so I'll have a look at this. There's only one new thing about it, and that is this share button, and actually feeling it, there is some nice texture on the back of this controllers which give really nice grip, and on the triggers. That's actually really nice. And the full round D-pad, really nice. Normal for syncing, lightning port, And for the batteries, all the exact same, with a pair of AA Duracell. And I think that is it in the box. I'll just get rid of that bit back in here. And just put this to the side for a second and get this over. Just attached with a little thing. Take that off. Move that out of the way. Bit of sellotape on top, wrapped like a parcel. Just get the other side. 3 pieces of tape holding it on. And here we are. Here is the actual console itself. Really nice. Just got electric shock from the bottom of it. Really nice. You can see through this from straight above the actual fan in there. Not sure if you can tell. The side light green bits. We have nothing on this side apart from Xbox and some finger marks now. We've got the 4K Blu-ray slot for the games and discs and DVDs. Sync button, nope. Eject disc slot button. Sync slot, USB, and the on-off button. This side just got some 4 rubber feet. If you want to lie it down, you can. And on the back we have the memory slots, which they do specific cards for. I think up to 1 terabyte. HDMI output, USB-C, USB-C, Ethernet port if you need it, and the charging port for your cable. And a little bit there about it. And then on the bottom, big round stand. So yep, that is. If I just put this aside, that is what you get in the box. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, like, subscribe, and keep tuned for more. Thanks. Bye.